welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I finally got my Nordstrom, all but one item, anniversary sale items. So at a future time, if and when I get that last item, I'll just post that separately. But I had planned to go to the mall. It is now a Wednesday. I plan to take a trip to a mall. I don't know which one yet. My local mall does not have a Nordstrom's, and return anything I don't want. Mainly because weekends are the only time I have something to do like that. So I want to show these to you now and get these back on my credit card, my refund, before I get charged. So the first thing that I got during the sale, all right, and you've probably seen these a million times from different YouTubers already, are the Steve Madden Thin Chain Tan Suede Mule. Now, you guys are probably shocked. There's no heel. You're right, there's no heel. I mean, this is, other than flip-flops, I think these are the first pair of flip-flops and sneakers, flat shoes that I would own. New lifestyle, I figured this is pretty good to be wearing in the house, and maybe running around on weekends to do errands versus any of my heels. And I know a lot of people have said that, oh, this is so boring. They had this last year in the sale too, or a different style. I'm okay with that because I didn't get it last year. So I thought these were a good neutral. Originally they have it in several different colors. Originally I was gonna get the chestnut, this darker brown color, but I decided to go with this color, the tan suede. Basically because it would go in the fall, it would go with much more, and I could probably get away with wearing it in the early spring too. So these are a size 7, and the sale price was $59.90, which I don't think is a bad price. Do I think it's a bargain of a lifetime? No, but I don't think $59.90 or 60 bucks is bad to spend on a nice pair of suede shoes. So as long as these fit, these are going to be a keeper for me. All right. The next thing that I got was this Zella Studio light rib detailed jacket. And as you guys know, I've been wanting a jacket. So this is like ribbed up here in the sleeves, and then down here it's a regular like legging material. So the sleeves right here have like a fine rib along with the back. It has like the higher neck, and I'm pretty sure I've tried this one on before, but it wasn't on sale. So now I am trying it on in a size small and versus an extra small, because I believe the last one I tried was too small. I'll give this a try. I'm not so sure I'm keeping this because as far as the thickness goes, I'm thinking back to the Champion one I got from Amazon for 30 bucks, and that one was just as thick and seemed just as nice as something like this. So again, this would have to wow me in order for me to pay 60 when I think I can get something similar that felt the same quality for 30. So I'll give that a try, and if that's no good, then I'll just go ahead and reorder the Amazon one. All right, next up, something that is not very exciting, but a pair of Undies by Spanx. So these, I'm not huge into shapewear. I mean, I do have shapewear, but to me, they're so confining and uncomfortable, and I definitely don't want to wear it during the summer. I'll wear it to a wedding or a special occasion like that, to give me a better shape. But I figured there's some slinky dresses that I want to get, like tank style dresses, and I want to hold in my tummy. So I thought that this would be a good alternative to shapewear because it has that flat kind of Spanx panel in the front, and hopefully it's not too compressive and uncomfortable. I did size up to a small versus my extra small because it is Spanx, and these were $15.90. I am not going to be trying these on for you, but what I will do when I do wear a dress or even try on a slinky dress, I will wear these with it, and I will let you know my impressions, and we can talk about whether or not they are worth the money and if they actually do flatten my tummy. All right, so those are the Spanx. So these are definitely a keeper, the Spanx. I'm not going to return a pair of underwear. Next up, you wouldn't believe it, Nordstrom sent me 2 of them. Didn't charge me for 2 of them, but sent me 2 of them. So I've been wanting a 3-tiered necklace, and I saw these. These are sterling silver. $64.90 is the sale price. It's sterling silver, but it's 14 karat gold plated, and I was able to use a Nordstrom note when I purchased this, so I paid only $44.90 plus tax for it. It is very fine and delicate, and I untangled this once already, put it back in the box, and it looks like it tangled up yet again. I will try it on for you, and I have, like I said, I have a second one exactly like this because they sent me 2 of them. and they didn't charge me. So I reached out to customer service because I didn't want to be charged in the future, and I wasn't quite sure how to return it because I was only charged for one. And she said just bring it back to the store and just, you know, show them your receipt and show them that you only paid for one, that you got two. So hopefully I don't have a problem returning something I never even purchased, but I don't want to get charged surprisingly either in the future. So this has just three little delicate chains of different, like, I wouldn't even say paper clip. Maybe the middle one is considered a teeny tiny paper clip. And it has little teeny tiny rhinestones. I don't know if you can see that. It's very pretty. I will try it on and see how it looks. And like I said, I used Nordstrom notes, so it was $44.90. And it is sterling silver, 14 karat gold plated, so I think that's a keeper. And like I said, they gave me two of them. Like, they came in two separate packages, same day, you know, same exact thing. So one of them is gonna go back, all right? Last up, and I'm totally impressed with this. So I was on the site, and you guys might have known if you've seen future videos from me, I've been looking for a shacket, all right? I found this. It's by Thread and Supply. They actually had two different name brands. I think there was a BP and a Thread and Supply. I've had experience with Thread and Supply. I got something from Wantable, a zip-up sweat jack from them, and I'm very impressed with the quality. I was also at Francesca's in the mall, and I noticed that they carry some Thread and Supply. I'm extremely impressed with that name brand, so I said, all right, between the BP and this one, let me take the Thread and Supply. And this does not disappoint. The sale price on this is $31.90. It's a size extra small. The color is camel, and it's absolutely gorgeous, all right? This thing is thick. It will take, this is almost as like a camel hair coat. It has like a t-shirt lining. It is extremely thick. It is 100% polyester, and the lining on the inside is polyester of 65%, rayon viscose of 35%. Yeah, you might think it's only polyester on the outside, like a fleece, but it almost is like a real camel wool coat. I mean, this thing will keep you warm in the temperatures in the 40s and maybe even in the 30s. This is thick. I really like this. It's really nice. Unfortunately, looking at it, I don't think it's going to look good on me. It's enormous. And yes, I know they're supposed to be oversized. It's supposed to be a shirt, but I just cannot foresee. I'll try it on. I'll give it a game. It was only $31.90, but something tells me that this is not going to look good on me. But I'm very happy I got it. We'll try it on. I'm hoping if it doesn't work out for me, maybe my daughter would want it. She's taller than me. But yeah, I can't say enough nice things about the quality of this. So if you are looking for a warm, thick shacket, hurry over to Nordstrom's. Again, this is the Thread and Supply shacket in camel. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, I'm excited. Yes, the jacket is big and oversized, but I think that's the way it's supposed to look. And for $31.90, my daughter is not getting this. This one's mine. This is, I can't even say enough nice things about this thing for the cost. I mean, this is almost, to me, looks like a real camel hair coat. My father used to have one back in the 70s, so I am familiar with those. It is, you know, it's got, you know, I guess woodish, or they're black buttons that most people probably think, oh, wood buttons, but it's definitely not wood. They're definitely plastic. This is exactly what I was looking for in a shacket. It's a neutral color. It has a nice lining. It will keep me warm in the fall. I can't say enough nice things about this. This is a really nice top or jacket for $31.90. I just paired them with my jeans from Vigos, the tank that I was wearing today. I also have the necklace on. I'll come closer so you can take a look. This is also a keeper. I used my Nordstrom notes on this. I had $20, so I only paid $44.90. Again, it's sterling silver and 14 karat gold plated. You can't go wrong. And the shoes, I'll pan down. These fit beautifully, very comfortable. Again, I have bunions and they fit me fine. They actually fit me perfectly. I can't complain about them. I have a whole outfit here, and this is something totally not my style, but yet my style, if that makes sense. My new style, my new cash style. So this is a keeper, jacket, necklace, and the shoes. All keepers going in my closet. All right, give me 1 minute and I'm gonna try on the jacket from Zella. Okay, this is the jacket from Zella. This is going back. This is $60. There's nothing special about it. As to be expected, I'm short, so the arms are long. There are no thumb holes. Oh wait, take that back. There are thumb holes. Take that back. They're hidden thumb holes. So there are thumb holes in it. It's a little bit snug around the midsection. And it's a size small. I know they're supposed to be form-fitting, but the last Zella one was an extra small, and that was not tight. This one is tight, and it's a small. It fits across the bust, and it's a little bit form-fitting here in the section. Honestly, it's okay. For $58, it's okay, but now that I found the one for $30 on Amazon, I think I'd rather have that. That's just as okay, and I'd rather pay for an okay one $30 versus an okay one for $60. So this is going back. I also have to return a pair of sneakers, Converse, for my daughter. They were too small. So I will return the jacket, the Converse, and the extra necklace they sent me up this weekend. Now I just got to decide which mall I want to head towards. All right, well, I hope you like this Nordstrom haul. Again, this is all from the anniversary sale. Thank you again for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, why not? Everything is free. Click subscribe, click that notification bell to get the future videos from me notified, and click the thumbs up button. All right, take care, and until next time.